Good morning, everybody. We are on our way to Cape Town. We are delivering DreamScape to a small little town there by Veldrift called Port Owen. So we've got 900 miles to go. Today is the 22nd of November, 9 o'clock, 9:30 in the morning, and we estimate to take about between 4.5 and 6.5 days to get there. We've got a very good weather window, lovely weather window. It's still a little bit of a southerly at the moment, but it will change to an easterly and later on a northeasterly wind, which will follow us all the way down to Cape Town. There is a light southwest that might develop by mid-afternoon tomorrow, but it will only develop from around in the afternoon from the area of Port Alfred, Port Shepstone, and it will come up north. So we're going to miss that already. So that will only start developing by tomorrow afternoon. But by that time we will be past that already. So tight lines, we're going to put some lines out as well, and we're going to see if we can catch some fish on the way down. But yes, this stretch between Durban and Port Elizabeth, or at least East London, is quite a treacherous area. We need to be very vigilant about the boat. It is a very long stretch. It's 250 nautical miles from Durban to East London, which will take us about a day and a half to complete. So we need at least 2 days of good weather to get to East London. Durban Port Control, Durban Port Control, Durban Port Control. This is Yacht DreamScape. Yacht DreamScape, request permission to leave port. We've got a flight plan from Durban to Port Owen.
Yeah, please repeat the name of your yacht.
Good morning, Durban Port Control. This is a Yacht DreamScape, Power Yacht DreamScape.
Sent by Asia Yacht State. We want to check your.
Okay, I'm approaching a shed. I'll stand by and wait for you.
So what's happening now? What's the problem?
We're waiting for Port Control to actually give us the permission to leave. They need to find our flight plan that has been sent to them yesterday already. So it looks like somebody has misplaced our flight plan in the Port Control office. So they're trying to find it and just so we're waiting for them to call us back, and then we'll have the permission to go.
We're wasting fuel here, man. Just turn off the motors.
We're wasting fuel, yeah. We're just sitting and drifting here. Might as well just turn the engines off.
Yeah.
Did you file your flight plan?
Thank you, ma'am. Standing by 09, and then we'll go over to 16 later on. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. We've got clearance. We can go. So we've got 900 miles to go.
So how many days will it take?
I estimate that we will be taking between 5.5 days and 6.5 days, depending on the weather and the current. Let's hope we've got some current behind us and that can help us push us down. And but I think about 6 days. Let's be safe for 6 days. If you've got nice current behind us and we can do 10 knots, then we'll do it in 4.5 days. But I think let's be safe and say 6. So yeah, we've got clearance. We can go. We're gonna set up RPM to about 1,200 RPM. At that RPM range, we will use in a vicinity of about just less than 1 liter per nautical mile on both motors to get combined. So on 900 nautical miles, we are supposed to be able to use about 900, maybe 800 liters of diesel for this trip. But let's see, we've got 1,100 liters of diesel on board, and we'll see when we get to Port Alfred, and yeah, when we get to Port Elizabeth, we'll just recalculate our fuel and see how much fuel we've got and how much we've used, and then we'll see if we will be able to make it all the way down to Port Owen, or do we have to fill up by Port Elizabeth. We'll see when we get there.
Just remember to keep your eyes on the road. I mean, the water.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Luckily, we've got a clear passage to go now. So, yes, this vessel has got a lot of extra features on it. She's got AIS. She's also got radar. She's got depth sounder as well with alarms, so we can be safe, and we can be sure that if there's something in our way, something will warn us. But I'm going to set up the alarms now soon, and then we'll be on our way.
Awesome.
We've got 6 days to chill.
Nothing but time.
Let's 6 days to kill. Hey, we've got lines out. We've got some big Rapalas. We got the X wraps. We're gonna try with the X wraps. Yeah, we can let it go. This is Sorrel. Sorrel is part of the team here. We're gonna see if we can get some tuna.
My first time on a fishing trip.
Getting out the gunnel. Sorrel's got a fish on. Where's the gaff? What have we got, Sorrel? Bring it up to the sugar scoop here. Let's see. How's it feel? It's a bunny. Oceanic Bonito. Okay, it's alright. Open the right there. Stop je hoeken, Sarah.
Ben jy eerste vis? Gee vis.
Daar's hy. Ruben has got a nice dory on as well. Oh, look at that yellow colors. Hold it up. Nice, Ruben. Well done. Second dory for the trip. Show the people how to hold a Dorado. Fold the tail over like that. Then it can't go anywhere.
No, it can't go anywhere.
Well done. So beautiful, beautiful colors, eh? Yeah. is Cape Clip, very well known navigation point when you do your yacht licenses. Most of these charts to do your practical on has got Cape Clip, and then Cape Point is over there in the distance, quite far in the distance over there, but still a little bit far to see on the camera. We arrived safely in Port Owen. This is now DreamScape's new home port, and we managed to do it in 6.5 days. Thank you so much, Russ and Elsabe, for the opportunity to bring DreamScape down to Port Owen for you. We hope that she will give you lots of joy here in Port Owen. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and be sure to go and watch some of our other videos. We'd really appreciate it.